Buonasera, I'm Carl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, then greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be trying the honeycomb cookie thingy from Squid Game. I haven't seen Squid Game yet, but I heard it's a great show. I think it's #1 on Netflix. Think so. But yeah, I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube about it. It seems really good. But yeah, anyways, let's get to the kitchen so I can do the honeycomb thingy. Chocolate de caña. Okay, so this was the first perspective because I'll film from here and then from my stove. So the basic ingredients that we need for making the sugar cookie or honeycomb or whatever that thing was is just some plain white sugar, some baking powder, baking soda. I don't know which one you need, so I just took some baking soda. And then there's this cast iron or pan. And then there's some sort of like shape. So I didn't have a star or whatever, so I just have some animals. So I'll just take I don't know, a whale. You can't see this on camera. But yeah. So first of all, I think I need to add some sugar into this. So I'll just do that. Wait, I need some measuring tools. Okay, where are the measuring cups?
I'm not sure.
Papa!
Just look around a while for that.
Thanks. Okay, so I couldn't find some measuring cups or whatever, so I'll just use a spoon. Okay, so I'll just take a bit of sugar. Sorry about that, there's like a headlamp right there. Okay, so it gets into like some sort of like liquid, so it like dissolves a lot. Try to bring this closer to my camera so you guys can see how much sugar I'm putting here. I don't want to tilt it too much. It's filled. So yeah, I'm just going to put this in here, and then I'll put this on the stovetop. And once it starts like melting, I need to add some baking soda. So yeah, let's get to that point of view with my camera. Okay, so our stove, it's made so like it only like can cook or iron, I think, or metals or whatever, so you don't get burned. So power. This is plugged in. Oh. Slide it to, I don't know, 8. Okay, so this needs to constantly be mixed. So I'll take a wooden spoon. If not, it's gonna end up as like a goop. Yeah, you just cook the sugar just like that. Like just like this, and then the oven doesn't burn. But that's what you just do. Bring my camera closer a bit. Okay, so it's starting to melt, it's starting to get into chunks. You can't stop mixing. It's starting to get like a liquidy yellow thing. It's starting to get like in small chunks. I'll show you guys once it's liquid, because I mean I can't stop mixing and it's starting to get into chunks. I'm getting scared that it's gonna burn. I've never done this before. It's starting to melt, like surprisingly. I'm sure if you guys can even see when I push over here, it's melting. It's getting like very liquidy. So I'm not supposed to stop mixing until it becomes a constant goo. Oh, it smells like maple syrup. It smells delicious. Okay, so now I need to add a baking powder. Oh, I can't stop mixing. Come on. No. Did I add it? Oh. Oh no. I think I have to stop. Oh no, I burnt it. Oh. Off. Got a situation. I'll move this away. This is the first attempt to fail. I'll turn. Oh. I like to turn on the fan. What? What? There's only smoke. I already turned on the fan. Okay guys, so I'll try that again, but without activating the fire alarm this time. Because as you saw, I made smoke and then it created a fire alarm. Anyways, I already have my baking soda spoon on the side and have my parchment paper. I have a fan on so it takes the smoke out. So hopefully you guys can hear me. But yeah, I'll also put the temperature way over this time. I'll put it at low temperature. And then apparently the trick is that you constantly keep moving. Okay, so it hasn't started melting yet, but I guess it's a good sign that it's not at too high temperature. So I'm trying to keep on mixing on that. I'll try to talk a little bit louder so you guys can hear me better in case you can't hear me. So yeah, hopefully you guys can hear me. Sorry about the audio. But yeah. I'm gonna put the temperature a little bit higher. Okay, I'll put it at a higher temperature. Maybe if I put it a single level higher. Why isn't this melting? I'm not even sure if you guys can hear me well, but right now it just melts from this. It's starting to melt. It's still just crumbling. But for sure, I already know it's gonna melt because you guys saw the other one. Okay, so this time, unlike last time, it's getting slowly liquidy and it's like getting golden. Okay, it's finally starting to actually melt. Once it gets into like an actual liquid, I'm gonna add the baking soda. For now, it's all like starting to unite. It's getting way smaller. Oh, not even sure if I added enough sugar after all. Okay, so it's liquidy-ish now. So I'm gonna add the baking soda very, very soon. Okay, I'm gonna add the baking soda right now. I might have added way too much. Oh wait, never mind. It's getting orange, like a cookie. Like this. It's getting like the cookie in Squid Game. Okay, now just lay it flat. I do have enough. Okay, and I'm gonna grab quickly my thing. And I'm gonna make. Oh, it's not flat enough. Is it cooked enough? Okay, I'm not sure how well this is done. Okay, I'll show you guys from close what it looks like. Okay, so this is the pan. It has like some leftovers at the bottom. I'm gonna try this later. This is what it looks like. It looks some bubbles, but it's really hot right now. It's metal. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. Gee, it looks. I don't know what to think about this video. I'm not even sure what to think of this video. This is what it looks like. And yes, I'm going to remove that, and then I'm gonna try to use the needle and actually remove it. But yeah. Okay, so just so you guys see, I'm gonna try to remove this. If it breaks, I swear. I don't think I can do this without breaking it. Already broke part of it. Let me try to remove. Okay, so this part fell. I didn't break the shape.
I did not break the shape.
The shape is still intact. But let me try this for you guys actually. So I'm just gonna try it out. Okay, so here's the piece. It smells like sugar. This is really good. It caused the fire alarms to go on, but it kind of tastes burnt. It kind of tastes burnt a bit, but so good. It tastes like sugar. What else am I supposed to say? But yeah. Okay. So this is what it looks like from the back. This is what it looks like from the front. There's a whale. So what if I... Okay, so I'll just remove the... I know this is not like Squid Game, okay? Trying to just break the sides so I can get the whale shape. And there you go, my beautiful whale. I'm gonna try to push this out. Oh, it's stuck. Here you go, can remove it. Great. Okay, so I broke my entire whale. Might as well remove it already. So I was gonna take a needle and do it, but I can't do that because it's fully broken, and that's my fault. I'll show you guys what it looks like.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that?
I don't want to waste this, so I mean, it looks weird, but I'll still try it. Yet again, it's burnt like burnt marshmallow, kind of. And sugar. I think I did it wrong. I definitely did. I mean, there's the honeycomb shapes. Okay, I don't like this. So yeah, let's get back to my room. Resume, I didn't like this. Tastes like pure sugar. It got burnt. I mean, maybe it's just because I did it wrong. Definitely because I did it wrong. But yeah. Something that won't kill you if you break a cookie and will break your bank account funds is SandCloud. SandCloud is a company that donates 10% of all their income towards marine life foundations. They do so much for our environment, and they make our oceans become a better place the best they can, because everyone has to work together to make our environment become a better place, and SandCloud plays their part into that. So yeah, the prices might be a teensy bit high for some items, but if you use my code Carltries649, you can get a generous discount of 15% off on your first order, and only if it's $50 and only. So yeah, shop now at SandCloud. It's way better than playing Squid Game, and yeah, the only problem is that you won't make $1 million or way more, however much there was. But anyways, shop now at SandCloud, link in bio, and use my code Carltries649 again on your first order, and only if it's $50 and only. But yeah, like this video if you haven't already, and subscribe if you haven't already. But yeah, bye guys!